Fermentation and pickling are food preservation techniques that harness the power of natural processes to extend the shelf life of food while enhancing flavors. Here are the silent features, equipment, tools, utensils, and materials used in fermentation and pickling. Let's move on from fermentation. The silent features are: number one is natural preservation. Fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, or fungi break down sugars and convert them into alcohol, acid, or gases, preserving the food. Number two is flavor enhancement. Fermentation can result in unique complex flavors and textures, adding depth and richness to foods like yogurt, cheese, kimchi, and sourdough bread. Number three is nutritional benefits. Fermented foods often have increased nutritional value due to the production of vitamins, enzymes, and beneficial bacteria that aid digestion and support gut health. So these are the equipment and tools, utensils, and materials. Number one is fermentation vessels. Number two is weights and presses. Number three is airlocks or fermentation lids. Number four is utensils. Number five is starter cultures. Number six is salt and brine solutions. So let's move on now from pickling. So the silent features of pickling is preservation method. Pickling involves immersing food in acidic solution, usually vinegar or brine, which prevents the growth of bacteria, preserving the food. Number two is flavor infusion. The acidic solution used in pickling imparts a tangy, sour flavor to the food, enhancing its taste. Number three is versatility. Almost any vegetable or fruit can be pickled, allowing for a wide variety of flavors and textures. So here are the equipment, tools, and utensils and materials of pickling. Number one is pickling jars or containers. Number two is vinegar. Number three is salt and sugar. Number four is spices and herbs. Number five is boiling water bath. So both fermentation and pickling are ancient food preservation methods that continue to be popular due to their ability to create delicious, nutritious, and long-lasting foods. The equipment, tools, utensils, and materials used are relatively simple, making these techniques accessible for home use.